Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to continue Rotating Fortress VM. Specifically, we are going to retrieve the fourth flag. This is not so difficult. Let me switch over to Linux VM to start. Okay, so from the last flag, we can get this message. Just I said at the end of the previous video, there should be another encrypted message or even hidden directory. And we can take the same approach to decrypt it. Okay, we can copy. I already generated this new file, this one. And here I've already changed the file to the target file. And now we can run it and we can get the, this message. Although this one is also possible. Anyhow, we need to, try them one by one. To save time, I just only use this one as the next step. We can copy and, if you access this file, we will get the error. This error, sorry. For example, I can copy this message. If you clear the screen, maybe I can explain it to you. By default, when we access this page, the cookie, the path is 0. The will code is also 0. To get access, we need to change both the path and the will code to, this one. We can copy it again. We can copy and copy here. And then you access this page and you can get this message. So, or, this message contains the fourth flag. And also we can get the, the next, the hidden directory for the next challenge. Okay, let me copy all of that and paste over here. Okay, so let me copy the fourth flag and put it over here. Where? Yes, here. So, all right, I don't think we need to spend more time on this challenge, on this flag. With that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day, please.